Welcome to PROZONE Solar Systems. Hi friends. Now I am going to show you what is called dimmable ceiling lights and non-dimmable ceiling lights. So right now you can see in this room, this has a ceiling lights of 4 and these are dimmable ceiling lights. Now here is the remote. So this is for the power button, this is for reducing the brightness, and this is for increasing the brightness. Now I'm going to switch off the light and you can see how it works. Now you can see this is the COB 12 volt ceiling lights. Okay, now I'm going to switch on here. So now I'm going to reduce the brightness of this light. So you need to decrease, hold this button and decrease how much ever brightness you want. This is the minimum brightness. If you want to increase a little bit, you can see you can little bit increase this. So if you are comfortable with this much brightness, you can keep it there, and if you want to make it full brightness, you can make it a full bright. Okay, so this is the benefit of a wireless remote controlling the lights. So if there is a senior citizen in a house or any person who is taking of medical care, or any senior people, or anybody, people are lying on beds or bedridden people, they can also use this. It will be very beneficial for them to use this type of controls. Thank you very much.